This will last you in the fridge for 2 days. It's gonna separate, shake it, but you can freeze it for up to a month. You know, put it in an ice cube tray and then use as much as you want. Or just make enough for that one recipe, a curry or something, and just use it. Very, very good. Also, obviously, you can make lattes out of this. So I have freshly shredded coconut in this bowl. You can use dried shredded coconut for this. You just need to soak it for about 10 minutes before you start, okay? Soak it in hot water. So this is really simple. As you can see, I'm just adding it to the blender. I'm going to use the coconut water that was in the coconuts, but you can also use water. I will use this. If I need to, I might add water. I want to have enough liquid in there. I have plenty, so just the coconut water is going to be sufficient. So I'm going to start blending this on low, and then I am going to power it up until it's all blended in there, okay? I am using a nut bag for this to strain this, but if you don't have one, put a strainer and some cheesecloth in it, and then just strain it, okay? So now we're just gonna squeeze this really well. This is super creamy, a lot better than canned. Look at this beautiful coconut milk. Look how fine and dry the coconut is inside the nut bag. I am not gonna throw this away. We will use it in a recipe this week. But yeah, no need to throw this away. You can use it for baking. You can even grind it finer if you have a real powerful machine and make flour out of it. Oh, it is delicious. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.